Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Barcelona and I'm with West Niagara Chiropractic and Wellness Center. And today I'm going to talk about low back pain and some of the reasons why you get low back pain and how you come about having these aches and pains. Some of the low back pain we know as is sciatica, and I'm going to talk about that very shortly here. But some of the ways that you get these low back pains are just common things, just by sitting at the desk all day at the computer, driving in the car back and forth to work. Landscaping is a big one, shoveling snow, and you think it's just easy, and then later on in the day you get this pinch or low back pain. Or just by lifting something up or twisting. We see that a lot in the clinic. And many of these back pains come from a simple thing called a subluxation, which chiropractors correct through the way of an adjustment or many other different types of technique. So what a subluxation is one of these vertebrae in your back have just rotated a little bit. Causes a lot of irritation, or even can cause as much irritation to pinch a nerve. And that gives you that pain down your leg or your arm. Some of the other types of injuries that we have is your hip goes out of place, which is called the sacroiliac joint. That can cause a lot of discomfort into the front or the back of your leg, many times mimicking something called a disc or sciatica. Sometimes it gets a little worse, where you hurt the discs in your spine. These discs that sit in between here are like a wedge that keeps that nerve from getting pinched. And some of those are a healthy disc. This little gel-like substance that's in there gets squeezed out a little bit, which we know as a bulge. Or if it breaks through, it becomes a herniation. When that herniation occurs, then it starts to pinch that nerve, as we know as sciatica. Some other things that could cause sciatica are these, going back to these simple subluxations. So sometimes it might not be as bad as the pain may feel, and it can be corrected very simply and quickly through chiropractic treatments. So here at West Niagara Chiropractic Wellness Center, we would first do a full examination on you and assess what your injury is, and that way we can better put together a set of techniques that will help to heal the problem and get rid of your pain symptoms. What we would do is, one of the techniques is an adjustment or a spinal manipulation. Another way is flexion distraction, which opens up these discs and helps to give you space in between that disc, or a lumbar disc decompression table is what we have. That's very effective on these types of disc bulge and herniations in your spine. There's many other techniques that we have here at West Niagara Chiropractic and Wellness Center, such as active release technique, laser therapy, and even Pro Adjuster is very effective on many of these types of pain symptoms and ailments. So if you're experiencing any of these low back issues, please call West Niagara Chiropractic and Wellness Center and let us help you resolve these issues.